explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with an amazing poem from your storybook that is I Wonder Why. So, the most important thing about learning is to never stop questioning, right? So, in this beautiful poem, also, a child asks question that the universe doesn't answer. So, let us join the journey of innocence and awe and begin with the poem now. So, now we have the poem which says, I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen, right? So, wonder means being surprised. So, here the child is surprised that why the color of the grass is always green, right? And also, he is very much in dilemma or in confusion that why the wind is never seen. Wind means the moving air, right? After that, now he says, who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take rest? So now, as we all know, that birds make their nests on their cells, right? But actually, who taught them to build the nest? Right? And who actually ordered the trees to take rest? Because we know that the trees are always standing on their own place. They do not walk, they do not talk, right? So, who is the person who ordered them to take rest always? Right? After that, they say, oh, when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Now, they say that we can see that moon is not full at every day, right? We see that some part of the moon is missing. So they say that when the moon is not even round, then how will we find the missing bit, right? Who lights the stars when they blow out and makes the lighting flash about? Right? So now they are saying that who is the one who makes the stars blow at night and who makes the lighting flash about from the stars as well, right? So as we see that the stars twinkle at night, right? But how they are actually lighting the flash about, right? Who paints the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? So now we know that a rainbow has 7 colors, right? So the child is asking that who is the person who paints the rainbow in the sky? Who is that person to reach the sky so high and color the rainbow? And who is the one to hang these soft, fluffy clouds in the sky so high? Right? Fluffy means cozy, comfortable, right? And the word lighting flash means emit light, right? So, this is a wonderful poem which was written by Jenny Kirby, right? So, that was all about the poem. So, by reading the poem, we saw that the child's questions remind us of the growth, right? The nature and the wonder fuels growth, correct? So, keep asking and keep exploring. Join us for more nature wonders. Do like the video, press the bell icon for regular updates, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.